A new twist in the legal battle between Governor Ron DeSantis and suspended Hillsborough County State Attorney Andrew Warren. Warren announced this week that he would not seek re-election, but then came the news that he has yet another chance to get his old job back. News Channel 8's Nicole Rogers joining us from our Tampa newsroom with the update.
Keith, this decision doesn't just give Warren another chance at possibly becoming state attorney again here in Hillsborough County. It also sets a precedent. One legal experts say gives First Amendment rights back to elected prosecutors. 3 days ago, suspended state attorney Andrew Warren made a major announcement.
I care about the state attorney's office in this community too much to have that cloud of uncertainty hanging over us. So I've decided not to run for a position that I've won twice and would win again.
This comes in the midst of a long legal battle, as Warren claims his suspension by Governor Ron DeSantis violated his freedom of speech. Wednesday, an appeals court ruled in Warren's favor, which means he will have another chance to get his job back after announcing just days ago he would not seek re-election. So what happens next? Election law expert Chara Torres-Spelisi says the case now heads back to the district court, where a judge must rule if the suspension was based on issues with Warren's performance in office, not just his political advocacy.
If the district court agrees that this was purely motivated by disagreements over abortion policy, well, that is not enough to fire a civil servant like Andrew Warren.
She says Wednesday's decision sets a precedent, sending a clear message that elected prosecutors have First Amendment rights too.
They can have opinions on issues of the day, and that is not a fireable offense. And I think the chilling effect that the firing of Andrew Warren had was it made it look like unless you were in lockstep with everything that Ron DeSantis believed, you weren't welcome to even be elected to a position of state attorney. And that is a horrible message to send.
The governor's office responded in a statement sent to 8 on Your Side, saying in part, quote, "This decision sets a dangerous precedent, and it will empower the chaos we see across the United States as politically motivated prosecutors will continue to ignore criminal laws they don't like and put our communities at risk." As of now, it remains unclear whether this decision will impact Warren's choice not to run for re-election. But his attorneys filed a motion late last night hoping to expedite the case, specifically saying Warren's decision on whether to run for re-election, quote, depends in significant part on the outcome of this litigation. Live in the Tampa News Center, Nicole Rogers, 8 on Your Side.